How to get the new Instagram update. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get the new Instagram update. Now it's quite simple and easy. Simply head into your phone Play Store or App Store and search in for Instagram, and if the update is available you'll find the update there. Now Instagram brings out updates regularly, so you'll be able to find update every week or so. Now here you can see there is an update. All you have to do is tap on the update option there on the screen and it'll start auto updating itself. Now here, if you don't find the updates on the app and if you're not being able to get any updates at all, what you can do is push the update. Now to push update, simply head into your phone settings. You can scroll in the notification bar and tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen here, and head into settings and scroll down until you find the option apps. Now here you can see apps, and under apps what you want to do is search in for Instagram here. Now if you are on iPhone here, if you search in for Instagram and your Instagram opens up, all you have to do is upload the app. However, on Android device what you want to do is scroll down and head into the storage option here, and on storage what you want to do is tap on clear data option at the bottom of the screen and then tap on delete. What this does is it will reset the app, and once you do it, if you head into your Play Store, you should be able to get the update. So this way you can update your Instagram and get the newest Instagram update. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.